guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a super easy craft for our American Girl dolls and other 18-inch dolls. We are going to make a holiday garland for Valentine's Day. And to do this, we are going to use the stickers that we got from the Dollar Tree haul. If you don't have stickers, you can always use paper, cut out different hearts and shapes yourself. And the only other thing you'll need is some ribbon or some string. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up all of these cute little stickers we got from the dollar store. There's our pink hearts, our felt hearts, our sequins, the little ones with love messages. There's those cute cupcakes. Now we're not going to use those other ones because they don't have stickers and I don't want to use glue today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to just peel each side of the sticker and put the string through it and close it up like a little sandwich. And I'm going to go ahead and make a little pattern with them. Now you have to use the same sticker on both sides, otherwise they're not going to stick evenly. See, none of these are actually the same size, so if we lay them over, it's just not going to work and we're going to end up with one side looking pretty and the other side not so much. I'm going to hang these against the wall in the dollhouse, but you can also hang them corner to corner where you would see both sides. So it depends on what you want to do. So now I'm going to start just by using these little ones with the messages. I love these. They so remind me of Sweetheart's candy. And we're just going to put the string through the center of the heart. And then we're going to put the other heart sticker directly on top. And that's going to make a cute little sandwich. And that's going to hold the stickers to the string. And I went with silver so that it'll go nicely with the little jewels on the heart stickers. So now there is the first one, and we're just going to keep going and create a little pattern. Now the next one, and I'm sorry, some of these stickers, the backing is hard to get off, so just give me a second. And there we go. So we have it off of the cupcake, and we're going to lay the string through the cupcake. Now for the cupcake, I don't want to go through the center because I want to try to keep the top as even as possible. So we're going to just put that one a little higher up. Now you do want to make sure you leave some space in between the stickers so that they're not all bunched up and they won't hang evenly. And if you're doing this yourself, just use a hole punch or color out some pictures and cut them out and then just stick them on. If you don't have stickers, get your glue stick, tape, a stapler, and then you can just staple them together. This is similar to a paper chain that people make at the holidays, and we will make an American Girl sized one of those later on in the year. So now we're going to go on to the gemmed hearts, and whoop, it's just moving around. And again, I'm just lining up the top to try to make them as even as possible. And we're going to go ahead and get the back side. You can also do this in a smaller scale with smaller stickers for your Barbie dolls, or you can go really big and make this for your home to decorate for Valentine's Day. And we'll just lay this one on top. This is so fast and so easy. And there we have the beginning of our little garland going. Look how cute that is. Now we're going to go ahead into a big sticker in the middle, and that's going to be the end of our pattern. So we're going to have little one with words, cupcake, jeweled heart, big felt heart, and then we're going to continue it along. I don't need to make this one too long because I just want to hang it in the dollhouse, and they have small walls. I'm thinking either in the kitchen or the living room. I am leaning more towards the kitchen so that I can just tape it gently to the wall. But we'll take a look at the dollhouse when this is all done. Okay, now let's get the other half of the sticker. And yeah, this is a felt one, so it is a little harder. There we go. And we just want to line them up as closely as possible. You don't even have to worry if it's a little off. It's okay. That's the fun of making things yourself. There we go. Now we'll continue the pattern, but I'm going to use the different colors this time. So instead of a yellow heart, I'm going to go with a blue heart with the little words on it. And I can't find two that are the same, so each side of the blue heart will say something different. And when I reuse this decoration next Valentine's Day, I might hang it in a different part of the house so that you can see the other side. It's up to you. You can do it however you'd like. Okay, now let's get the other half on. There we go. Perfect. And we're going to continue. So now we're going to go with the cupcake. This time, let's go with the white icing so that again, it follows the same pattern, but it's not the same sticker each time to make it different. I cannot wait to get this upstairs into the dollhouse's kitchen so that you can take a look and see just how cute it is. And I do promise one day I will do a tour of the dollhouse. It's just that our dollhouse is so big that we may have to do separate videos, one per room. Okay, let's get the other half. These are just the greatest little stickers from Dollar Tree. And I will post a video linked to the haul video for you so you can go back and check out those stickers if you'd like. Now let's get that last heart going of the gemmed hearts. I love these. These are so cute. I think this year we're going to make our own Valentines to share with family and friends, and we're definitely going to use these stickers. Or we can put them away for next year. We do have quite the craft room around here. All right, again, line it up. Now, some of the spacing in between the stickers is not the same, and again, that's okay. It's not something store-bought, so it's all good. Let's line that one up. Perfect. Oh, it's looking so good. Okay, and then we're going to end with a big heart, and then we'll go hang it upstairs in the dollhouse. All right, let's get the last one on there, a nice big pink heart. And you can always make this longer or shorter, completely up to you and what your dollhouse looks like. Okay, and if you don't have a dollhouse and you just have your doll bed in the middle of a room or in a corner, you can maybe decorate around it or hang it from each banister. Completely up to you. Okay, let's get this last one up. Here we go. Perfect. And there is our garland. Look how cute that is. I am loving how easy this craft is. Okay, let's go up to the dollhouse. And here it is in our kitchen. Doesn't it look great? See you next time, guys.